Number 1. 1977 Chevrolet C20, $3,500 Wapato, Washington. This 1977 Chevrolet C20 offers a solid foundation for a restoration or work truck project. Powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission, it features rear-wheel drive and a 1-ton rear axle. While the condition is noted as fair and the odometer is broken, the truck reportedly runs well and maintains a clean title. A rugged, no-nonsense vintage workhorse at an affordable price. Number 2. 1968 Ford F100, $4,500 Phoenix, Arizona. A true driver's truck with personality. This 1968 Ford F100 is powered by a 300 cubic inch straight-six with a 4-barrel carburetor, headers, dual exhaust, and a 4-speed manual transmission. Though the body has heavy patina and rust, the truck runs strong and handles well with newer tires and battery. The frame is in good shape, making it a fun project or daily cruiser with classic charm. Number 3. 1989 Chevrolet S10, $5,800 Alapi, Colorado. This orange 1989 Chevrolet S10 pickup presents as a good condition compact classic. With rear-wheel drive and a manual transmission, the 4-cylinder engine has logged 194,000 miles but is set to run and drive well, ideal for someone looking for an economical vintage pickup, though interior space may be limited for family use. Number 4. 1989 Dodge D350 Cummins Diesel, $9,500 Southwest Oregon. A rare find. This 1989 Dodge D350 1-ton flatbed is powered by the highly sought-after Cummins diesel engine mated to a 5-speed manual transmission. With only 57,486 original miles, it includes a 10-foot flatbed with 4-foot side racks and new tires. This 2-owner truck is a dependable workhorse with classic appeal and impressive mechanical longevity. Number 5. 1983 Ford F-504x4, $5,500 Gardena, California. Equipped with 4-wheel drive and an automatic transmission, this 1983 Ford F-250 is a rugged and reliable truck that reportedly passed smog testing last year. Though the odometer is broken and has rolled over, the truck runs well and sits on good tires. Minor cosmetic and mechanical work may be needed, but it has strong potential for off-road use or restoration. Number 6. 1985 Toyota pickup, $8,995 Portland, Oregon. This exceptionally well-preserved 1985 Toyota pickup with a long bed and 5-speed manual transmission is presented as a near-showroom example. With a rebuilt title due to a theft over 21 years ago, it has been meticulously garaged and maintained. The exterior and interior are both rated 9.9 out of 10, and it runs flawlessly with new tires. A collector-grade classic Toyota. Number 7. 1976 Datsun 620 Pickup, $5,000 Chico, California. A daily driver with classic credentials, this 1976 Datsun 620 has a freshly rebuilt L20 engine with under 5,000 miles. It features a Weber 30-36 carburetor, new carrier bearing, tie rods, and other parts. The truck is reported to run and drive great with a clean title, making it an excellent option for those seeking a vintage Japanese pickup with reliability and character. Number 8. 1970 Ford Ranger X LT Camper Special, $5,000 Denver, Colorado. This 1970 Ford F-250 Ranger X LT Camper Special features a 390 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission, with a rebuilt engine showing 50,000 miles. With 80,350 miles total on the chassis, it retains its original green paint and has a clean title. An ideal candidate for a light restoration or use as a vintage hauler. Number 9. 1977 Dodge Power Wagon W1508 $1,000 Fullerton, California. A well-preserved 1977 Dodge Power Wagon W150 equipped with a factory 440 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission. The truck is presented as a national treasure with a clean title and 80,000 miles. Four-wheel drive and strong mechanicals make it a serious contender for collectors of vintage Mopar trucks or enthusiasts looking for a powerful classic utility vehicle. Number 10. 1978 Chevrolet C20 Stepside, $5,300 Spanish Springs, Nevada. This square-body 1978 Chevrolet C20 Stepside comes with its original paint and a new warranted 350 automatic transmission. It retains its original 350 volts 8 with a 4-barrel carburetor, dual fuel tanks, and stock suspension. Some rust is present in typical areas, but this truck runs strong and is ready for light cosmetic restoration or weekend cruising. Number 11. 1975 GMC C15 Sierra Grande, $7,500 Applegate, Oregon. Acquired from the original owner, this 1975 GMC C15 Sierra Grande features a new 350 crate engine and 4-speed manual transmission. With a clean title and odometer rolled over, the truck includes numerous replacement parts and upgrades such as new tires, shocks, and mufflers. Some body rust is present, but the foundation is solid. A well-priced project truck with excellent mechanicals. Number 12. 1966 Ford F-250 Camper Special, $9,000 Oak Harbor, Washington. A garage-kept classic, this 1966 Ford F-250 Camper Special is equipped with a 350 V8 and automatic transmission. While the body shows signs of age with rust and small dents, the truck is mechanically sound and everything functions aside from the horn. It is a suitable candidate for restoration or vintage utility use. Number 13. 1969 Chevrolet C20 Stepside, $8,500 Kingman. Arizona. This 1969 Chevrolet C20 Stepside boasts a clean title, inline-6 engine, manual transmission and classic 8-lug wheels. With a clear-coated patina finish and long bedwood deck, the truck runs and drives great, a unique blend of originality and usability. Perfect for collectors or daily vintage truck fans. Number 14. 1966 Ford F-100 Long Bed, $6,900 Sacramento, California. This mostly original 1966 Ford F-100 Long Bed is powered by a V8 engine and manual transmission. The truck starts and runs fine and appears ready for restoration with a clean title and classic long bed styling. It's an excellent platform for enthusiasts who want to bring an all-American pickup back to life. Number 15. 1968 Chevrolet C20 Stepside, $3,000 Shelton, Washington. A budget-friendly entry into classic truck ownership. This 1968 Chevrolet C20 Stepside features a straight-6 engine, manual transmission and a clean title, despite some rust and body damage. The truck is mechanically sound with a new master cylinder and water pump, ideal for restoration or utility use. Number 16. 1966 Chevrolet C60 Dump Truck, $650 Spokane, Washington. This 1966 Chevrolet C60 dump truck is a heavy-duty project vehicle with plenty of recent upgrades, including new tires, hydraulic valve, master cylinder, and brake components. Powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 with a 4-speed manual and 2-speed rear end, it was intended for land use before the project was halted. Needs a trailer for transport but holds major potential as a working classic.